how to delete any user account on your Mac. So first, you want to go to your bottom of your screen and then choose on the system settings or system preference right here. And then you want to scroll down until you find users and group right here. You want to click on it. And then right here on this account, you want to choose the one that you want to delete. For example, I want to erase this FF standard right here. You want to click on this I button and then click on delete account. And you can type in your password right here. It is the password that you enter after you restart or shut down your Mac. Click on unlock. And then you can choose whether you want to save the home folder, don't change, or just delete the home folder. I recommend just choose the delete home folder and click on delete account. And there you go. Or if you are in older MacBook, what you want to do is you want to press the lock icon in the bottom left and then press the negative, and there you go. Or right here, if you cannot find this I button, you want to restart your Mac and log in with the admin icon right here. You cannot delete it because you are also logged in with the account you want to delete. For example, that I want to delete this guest user, but I log in with this guest user. So you can just click on this Apple logo right here and choose on restart or shutdown, and then choose another user account. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.